Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to pre-twist the hair. So I just took one strand and then I split it into two, and then I just fluff it out, like stretch it very well. Afterwards, I'm gonna put it on the chair like so, and then I'm just gonna start twisting loosely. It's very important that you understand that with this type of braiding hair, you have to twist loosely and not tight. So guys, I'm gonna start by moisturizing my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my black castor oil. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my dark hair cream. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. So now I'm gonna begin to section my hair. I'm gonna section out a small portion out in front. That's where I'm gonna be doing the single twist right there in front, and then I'm gonna cornrow the rest.
All night, we ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, and we be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving our money.
So right here, I'm just gonna do like a cornrow all to the back to the rest of the hair. So after doing my braiding pattern, I'm just gonna secure the remaining hair left. So what I like to do, I'm gonna braid the ones in front first before I crochet the rest at the back.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love.
So I'm gonna take this strand of hair, split it into two, and then I'm gonna separate it into two, and then I'm gonna cornrow. So I'm gonna start with the cornrow first, and then as I do like few cornrows, I'm gonna like, you know, twist it.
This is real. I'm about to let you know. I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me.
I've decided to use this method because it's going to secure my hair very well, and it's going to make it last longer. After doing some cornrows, I'm going to go ahead and share the hair into two equal half, and then I'm going to start twisting. So this is what it looks like. I really love this twist.
Eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. We saving our money. Yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what.
So I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna take the strand, split it into two, and then stretch it a little bit. And then I'm gonna share it into two equal half, and I'm gonna braid.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go. And plus, anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together. Come sit down.
So that's just what I'm gonna keep doing.
I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song. Pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong. Really. So good when you came my way. You came it popping almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down. Celebrate this love, baby. What we found. We know this is real. Everybody's looking at me. Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere you know. Anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up.
So right here, I'm gonna start doing the crochet with the ones I pre-twisted.
We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22. I'm saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere you know. I can take it anywhere you know me. They know you and me now. My family. We about to go up. We about to go one. Know you like my family. They know you better be at this bar.
So guys, yeah, I'm done with it. I'm just laying my edges with my Eco Styler
I
gel.
can take it anywhere she come by. They know you and me. Baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you.
I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf on it and just leave it to dry for like 5 minutes. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this hairstyle and I hope you guys love this hairstyle as well. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a very interesting video. So I'm going to be talking